From idyllic countryside views and historic villages to majestic mountains and world-famous attractions, we share the best places to visit in the UK. The UK has long been a popular European tourist destination, with over 36 million overseas visitors flocking to the islands in 2022 alone. And thanks to its manageable size and excellent transport system, you can easily travel from rugged heathland to dazzling beaches in a matter of hours. But with so much to see and do, choosing where to visit can be a challenge. So to help narrow down your options, here are some of our favorite places to visit in the UK for those looking to enjoy all the country has to offer. 1. The Cotswolds. The rolling hills and quaint villages of the Cotswolds are spread over 6 English counties, meaning there is plenty to explore. From stately homes and castles to acclaimed reserves and arboretums, this beautiful rural region offers stunning landscapes, not to mention an authentic flavour of England from times gone by. The area is home to nearly 5,000 kilometres of footpaths and bridleways, including the famous 164-kilometre-long Cotswold Way walking trail. And wherever you venture, you're sure to find a cosy pub that serves the finest ales on tap. The region's charming Honeystone villages are also scattered with famous tea rooms, delis, antique shops, and farmers markets, making them perfect for whiling away an afternoon. And while each village has its own distinct character, they all share the same timeless beauty that makes the Cotswolds one of the most beautiful places to visit in the UK. 2. Cornwall. Boasting more than 480 kilometres of coastline, Cornwall is one of the places to visit in the UK if you are looking to enjoy a seaside getaway. Located on England's rugged southwestern tip, the picturesque county is home to wild moorland, fishing villages, and smugglers' coves. It also features more than 300 beautiful beaches, of which the most famous is Fistral, in Newquay. This becomes a bustling surfer's paradise during the summer months. Indeed, the rolling Atlantic swells make it one of the best places to visit in the UK if you want to catch a wave. Away from the beach, the coastal town of St Ives is a great place to discover traditional and modern paintings and sculptures, including those on display at the Tate St Ives. Lined with slate-roofed fishermen's cottages, the quaint cobbled streets of the town also make this one of the prettiest in Cornwall. Meanwhile, further north, the charming fishing port of Padstow has put the region on the foodie map thanks to celebrity chef Rick Stein. His empire of internationally acclaimed seafood restaurants has attracted exciting new ventures from Michelin star chef Paul Ainsworth, along with the introduction of new fishmongers meet seafood spots. 3. Yorkshire Dales. Home to valleys and moors, and rivers and streams, the Yorkshire Dales National Park is a great place to visit in the UK if you enjoy the great outdoors. The Dales, as they are frequently known, offer an incredibly diverse landscape that is perfect for adrenaline junkies looking to go caving, rock climbing, and abseiling down waterfalls. Guided walks, meanwhile, offer visitors a more leisurely way to enjoy the scenery. If you are looking for something more challenging, though, you can always take on the iconic Three Peaks Challenge. Covering more than 36 kilometres, this arduous route encompasses the peaks of Penwye Ghent, Whernside, and Ingleborough, and offers breathtaking views. However, the best way to explore the Dales is on 2 wheels. During your ride, you can explore the picturesque villages of Burnsall and Malham, or sample some delicious cheese at Wensleydale Creamery. History buffs should also hop off at some of the region's numerous historical sites. This includes the 14th century Bolton Castle and the Fountains Abbey, one of the largest ruined Cistercian monasteries in England. And, with some of the UK's darkest skies on display above, stargazing is an absolute must. If you time it right, you may even see the Northern Lights. 4. Skye. Overflowing with glorious scenery, the Scottish island of Skye is one of the most enchanting places to visit in the UK. Among its many iconic natural attractions are the soaring Cuillin Hills and the impressive Old Man of Storr, one of the most photographed landscapes in the world. Skye is also a world-class destination for walking and climbing. Indeed, there are a number of climbs for those who are up for the challenge. For the ultimate Skye experience, however, make sure to tackle the spectacular Trottenish Circuit, an 80-kilometre-long loop around the island. This route connects several attractions while offering stunning views of rugged Skye and beyond. Away from the hiking, Skye is also home to a plethora of historic sites. Visitors can journey back into the past and learn about clan warfare, Bonnie Prince Charlie, the Highland clearances. Wildlife enthusiasts are also in for a real treat, as the island is one of the best places to witness the white-tailed sea eagle, Britain's largest bird of prey. And that's not all. They will also have the opportunity to spot otters, seals, whales, dolphins, and more impressive creatures on and around the island. The sky really is the limit. 5. Devon. Famous for its spectacular coastline, gorgeous beaches, and the world-famous Devonshire cream tea. Devon is the jewel of the southwest. From the pretty Mediterranean-like beaches of Salcombe and beautiful white cliffs of Lyme Bay to Dartmoor National Park, one of the last great wilderness in the UK, nature lovers will be truly in their element in this scenic county. Off the coast, you'll find Lundy Island, dubbed by some as Britain's Galapagos. Stay a few nights on this rustic outcrop and you're sure to spot seals, seabirds, puffins, and basking sharks. Throughout the county, you'll find a host of outdoor activities including climbing, whitewater rafting, horse riding, and various others that are sure to challenge and excite you. But many who love Devon do so because of the gentile delights of its many historic seaside villages. Here, you can follow a day on the beach with a laid-back cream tea, cream first, of course, a dinner of fish and chips. Or maybe a homemade ice cream while you wander along the seafront. English summer at its finest. Thank you for watching our video on the 5 best places to visit in the United Kingdom. We hope that you found it informative and helpful in planning your next trip. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Travel Touropia, for more travel guides and destination reviews. We would also love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Have you visited any of the places on our list? Which was your favorite? And if there are any other UK destinations that you think should have made the cut, be sure to let us know. Thank you again for watching and we look forward to sharing more travel adventures with you soon.